friends, I welcome all of you to this tutorial video which is prepared for the purpose of operating the result software. Friends, first of all we have a look over the software. This is the links page. From this page you can be able to move different sections of the software. This is input section. In input section you have to feed the data, and these are the output sheets of the output section in which you will get the results from the input data. As first we have to go to home page. Here you have to fill the DICE code of your school if you have KV code, CBSE affiliation code and all other details related to your class. As this is for class 1 and 2, only for class 1 in 2021 and 22, 6 cycles are decided by KVS. So if this is for class 1, then you have to select yes. As you select yes, your software will work for 6 cycles for class 1. If you select no, then that will work for 8 cycles, especially for class 2. As I have made it for class 1, so I have to select it yes. After that I will get student biodata page. In this biodata page I have to fill the details of the student. One by one I have to enter it. Here a special column, that is TC issued. If in between the session, in mid of the session, if any student got transferred or TC issued, then you have to mark it as TC issued. Then term 1 entry, you have to make the entries for term 1. As we are making for class 1, then only 2 cycles will be evaluated here. See, that is displayed, not applicable in this term. Cycle 3 entries will be separate in term 2. Means in home page, if we select yes, then this software will work for 6 cycles, and if we select it as a no, then it will work for the 8 cycles. See, cycle 3 is here in term 1 sheet, cycle 3 and cycle 4. Means this software can serve the purpose of both classes, class 1 and 2. If we select yes in this home page, then that will work for class 1 6 cycles for the current year, and if we select no, then it will work for 8 cycles for class 2. You now have a look about the outputs. First is enrollment position. You can see the enrollment status of your class is prepared automatically according to the data entered by you in this biodata sheet. Second is RT student list. If you mark a student as RTE in biodata, and you can this list here, you have to click on this generate list. I have only one student, then only one student list is there. And house-wise student list, the same way. I have to click on this generate list button. Students BMI list is an additional. Students health wise data is there. Multi-purpose blank list is used by you for any purpose. Actually it is a great slip like structure, you can use it as per your requirement. After that, grade list of the term 1 is a consolidated list. Actually if it is for class 2, it will show 4 cycles. As I told, if you are preparing it for class 1, you have to select here yes in home page, and you can see only 2 cycles are there, cycle 3 and cycle 4 are deactivated. You can see here 3rd, 4th, 5th cycles present in term 2. Remember, if you are making entries for class 1, you have to select this yes here. Select yes for 6 cycles in class 1. After this, result analysis, subject wise, result analysis gender and caste wise, and result analysis term wise. Whatever your need, you can make it as per your requirement. This is the complete grades, and you can see here regarding English, regarding Hindi, in different terms. Yes. Subject analysis, English, Hindi, Maths, EVS, and overall analysis as per subject, how many number of students, even gender wise classification is there, category wise, caste category wise it is classification is there, and even term wise it is there. As we have already seen this. Then promotion list. After the result, we have to prepare a promotion list. For preparing promotion list, you have to click on this generate list button. As per your biodata, number of students who are present in the enrollment position, their names will populate here. Then most important section is report card. In this report card, you will see various options are available for you. See, first option is select term. If you want to print report card for term 1, press term 1. It will show the cycles of term 1 only. If you press 2, then for term 2. Means as per your requirement, you can prepare report cards for both terms separately. Second is regarding movement from different records of the students. The number of records are there, so you can shift yourself to different roll numbers. After that, a batch printing option is there. Means a sequence of report card can be printed. First option is print as PDF. If you select yes, then the report cards within this range, serial number 1 to serial number whatever you have mentioned according to your biodata sheet, serial number from this to this will be printed as in PDF form. If you select no, then these are directly sent to your printer if it is installed, and the hard copies can be printed easily without manual changes in the serial number of the student. You have to click on this button to prepare it. For example, I have to print PDF from 1 to 3. Increment is used to get odd and even sequence if you want to, otherwise 1 is the by default setting. If you click on print, your report cards will be sent as a PDF. Now see here, do you want to hide? If you want to hide house, blood group, mobile number, and means these details can be hidden in your report card if you want, so you can do it accordingly. That is enough for terms report card. Most of the features are same in final report card. Same thing is there in this final report card. Both term and term 2 are included as it is for class 1. So 1-2 cycle are there and 3-6 cycles are there. If any entry is left of any student, then its final grade will not be there. Means you have to complete all the entries before getting the print or final result. Then that is the result register, that is very well known to us. according to your requirement. You can print it and keep it in the records. So friends, still if you have any doubt regarding the software, how to use it, or any problem, then you are free to ask. Thank you and have a nice day.